So we have the original length and width of a photograph being 15 centimeters and 10 centimeters. But we remove X amount from both of these, right? And reduces the area by 46 centimeters squared. So what that means is, right, the reduction makes it so it's 15 minus X and 10 minus X, right? This is the area of the photograph. And it says it reduces the area by 46. So that's going to be, right, the original area, which is 150 minus 46 centimeters, okay? So expanding this out, right, we end up getting 150. This is going to be minus 15x minus 10x, so minus 25x plus x squared. This will just give me 104. Bring everything to one side and you get x squared minus 25x. 150 minus 104, right, will just give me 46. Okay, so this is plus 46. But you can factor this, right? You can use the quadratic formula as well, but you'll end up with choosing the values of minus 2 and minus 23. So that when I multiply these two and add them together, so 1 times this and 1 times that, adding together will be minus 25. Multiplying these two together, you get 46. Okay, so go across, write your factors as x minus 2 and x minus 23. Right, so you end up getting that x has to be either 2 or 23. Right, but if it's 23, we'll subtract way too much and we'll have two negative length and width values. So it has to be 2. Okay, so that means the dimension of the crop photograph is going to be 15 minus 2 and 10 minus 2. So it's going to be 13 centimeters and 8 centimeters.